My top 5 pulls so far on the
Behind
channel.
that we get Arvin's Greedent. Behind that, oh, we get Cynthia's Garchomp. Octillery. Cramorant. Enzora again. Oh, yes! We got the English Articuno illustration rare. And behind that we got Hops Double. That's not the full art one, but that is so sick. Phantom. Oh, that artwork is very cool. Behind that we get Pikachu VMAX. Let's go. That is sick. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Ethan's Adventure. Ogerpon again. Cynthia's Power Weight. Reverse. Oh, what is this? What is this? No. Oh, yes. It's Ethan's Ho-Oh-S-I-R. Oh, damn, look at all that texture. Look at the card as well. Oh, yes. Rapidash. Cynthia's Power Weight. Fomantis. Oh, what have we got? Oh, we got the Team Rockets Moltres. Let's go. That is sick.